Alright, what we got here is a 29 LTD Classic. It has been refurbished. It has been peaked and tuned, and the modulation swing kit put in it, and a turbo echo, which would be that Delta tune switch. It does have all blue lights. The meter changes colors, as you can see. It's pretty clean radio. It's got a few minor scuffs, a few minor scratches, but it is absolutely clean inside, and it works very, very well. It keys about 4.5, 5 watts, swings almost 20.
Audio test. 1, 2.
And you can adjust it right here.
Audio test. Hello.
Me, myself, I prefer it back a little bit.
Audio test.
Yeah, just a little bit more back the other way.
Hello. 10, 4. Audio test.
It works very well. You can see that it almost 5.
Audio. Hello.
And it swings right up there around 20. Works very well. Very clean face. Works very good. It'll be sold as is. No warranties, no returns, but it will not be DOA. What you see is what you're going to get. It's going to have a bracket, it's going to have a power cord, it's going to have a mic clip, and it will have a Cobra mic. Works very, very well. Happy bidding.